Most of the times, while working with datasets in Tableau, we have proper date fields, on which we can perform desired operations, as shown here. But often Tableau developers land up in a situation where they are only provided with numeric columns for year, month and day, separately. In a situation like this where we do not have a proper date column or we have numeric year, month and day column, MakeDate function comes to rescue. Create a new calculation and make a date using MakeDate function syntax on the numeric year, numeric month, and numeric date columns as being shown. This new date field created using MakeDate function works exactly like a date field. Although MakeDate function is supported by most of the data servers, still a few of the data servers do not support this function. If MakeDate is not supported, then it will not be visible in list of functions. If the MakeDate function is absolutely required and your database does not support it, you can either change the connection from live to extracts. Extracts supports all native Tableau functionalities. Or you can use the alternate date parse calculation to create a date function as shown. If you enjoyed this video, then like it on YouTube, and subscribe to my channel, Data Poetry, for more content. Thank you.